Metals and non-metals. Physical properties. Metals. The easiest way to start grouping substances is by comparing their physical properties. Let us study this with the help of the following activities. Activity. Take samples of iron, copper, aluminum and magnesium. Clean the surface of each sample by rubbing them with sandpaper. Metals in their pure state have a shining surface. This property is called metallic luster. Activity. Take small pieces of iron, copper, aluminum and magnesium. Cut these metals with a sharp knife. These cannot be cut. Hold a piece of sodium metal with a pair of tongs. Always handle sodium metal with care. Dry it by pressing between the folds of a filter paper. Put it on a watch glass and it can be easily cut with a knife because sodium is a soft metal. You will find that metals are generally hard. The hardness varies from metal to metal. Activity. Take pieces of iron, zinc, lead and copper. Place any one metal on a block of iron and strike it 4 or 5 times with a hammer. Some metals can be beaten into thin sheets. This property is called malleability. Gold and silver are the most malleable metals. Activity. Consider some metals such as iron, copper, aluminum, lead, etc. Aluminum metals are also available in the form of wires. The ability of metals to be drawn into thin wires is called ductility. Gold is the most ductile metal. You will be surprised to know that a wire of about 2 km length can be drawn from 1 gram of gold. It is because of their malleability and ductility that metals can be given different shapes according to our needs. Activity. Take an aluminum or copper wire. Clamp this wire on a stand. Fix a pin to the free end of the wire using wax. Heat the wire with a spirit lamp, candle or a burner near the place where it is clamped. After a while, the metal wire heats up and the pin falls down. Metals are good conductors of heat and have high melting points. The best conductors of heat are silver and copper. Lead and mercury are comparatively poor conductors of heat. Activity. Set up an electric circuit. Place the metal to be tested in the circuit between terminals A and B. Connecting a metal wire between A and B can make the current flow easily and the bulb will light up. You must have seen that the wires that carry current in your homes have a coating of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, or a rubber-like material. Something like rubber is an electrical insulator, so that it prevents the current of the wire from being wasted and we can easily catch the wire even though the current is passing.